is being a pain in the butt. Good morning, people. Good morning, my people. Today is Sunday, January 20th, 2019. It's 11:33 a.m. Good morning. And happy Sunday. Do you guys see this? Look at that. The camera's not gonna quite pick it up, but it's snowing, and it was snowing and sleeting, I think, this morning. But yeah, it's still coming down. So there is a minimal reason as to why, how our Sunday and weekend has been going. The snow started late yesterday afternoon, around like 4:30. It started, and it's been snowing ever since. And we were actually in the, I think it was 10 to 18. You cannot even see me. I think it was the 10 to 18 inches. So yeah, that's us. And it's still coming down, but it's supposed to stop. Hopefully, it's supposed to stop by 4 o'clock today. It's supposed to stop 4 o'clock today, so let's hope for that. I haven't picked up the camera in a while, just because of the horrendous weather. I mean, we've been keeping up with the weather. I've been keeping up with work. I've been doing a lot of stuff, so that's the other reason why. That's the reason why I haven't picked up the camera in a while, but don't worry. I'm going to get back into it this week, I promise. So this vlog will be going up tomorrow. What is up with my hair? This vlog will be going up tomorrow. Anywho, I have to get some dishes done, and then I also have to fold laundry, so I'm gonna do those two things, and we should be good to go. I kind of just woke up, so I'm just still trying to fully wake up, and then I gotta figure out something to make to eat. Ow. I don't know why, but I just got a pain in my face right here. Might be my I think I have to blow my nose, and my sinuses sound a little clogged up. I'm just waking up. But yeah. But that's what I'm gonna do right now, and then we'll get the rest of the day on the road. Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, January 21st, 2019. It is currently almost 10:30. I'm up way earlier than I normally would be, and there's obnoxious snowblowers outside, snow blowing away the crazy snow that we've had since Saturday, I believe. Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, since Saturday. We've had the crazy snowstorm since then. But yeah, good morning. I am starving and I'm partially exhausted because I feel like I didn't sleep, and I feel like it's really bright over there because every time my mom comes down here, she opens one of the blinds, and I feel like, I swear, I feel like I just got my picture taken and you get the flashing light in your face. That's what I feel like right now. So anywho, I feel like I did not sleep at all last night. I just feel like I didn't sleep at all. I don't know what it was. Last night I went to bed with a headache, and I'm trying to not take a lot of medication. I know this sounds like really, really bad, but I'm trying not to take a lot of medication because over time the medicine can affect just the way your body is with certain medicine. It can affect your body and it's certain systems in your body. So like if I took too much Tylenol, which sometimes I have, it can affect your liver, and you kind of need that. You kind of need that. So I'm trying not to take, I take naproxen, or just an FYI, I take naproxen. It's a medicine that relieves chronic ridiculous migraines, and it's not that I hate taking it because it's an extreme lifesaver. The reason why I say I hate taking it is because with this particular medicine, you actually have to eat something with it in order for it to work. You have to eat something with it so it doesn't hurt your stomach, and so you don't get any, I guess, sort of infection, I guess you could call it. But I'm trying not to take any medicine, but if it got any worse, which I felt like I had this headache all night. I literally went to bed in my head. I felt like I was being punched in the head all night. I seriously felt like I was being punched in the head all night. It's cold down here. Cold. So, I promise that the footage that I get for today will go into the vlog for today as well, because I vlogged a little bit yesterday, but with this crazy storm that we've had, there hasn't just been a really want to vlog, because all I keep looking at is this ridiculous amount of snow, and it's driving us nuts. Like, we want this snow to go away. Like, today is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, if anybody didn't know. Like me, for example, I didn't know. But it is Martin Luther King Day, so all the schools are closed. It's a public holiday. All the schools are closed, and the weather, what is going on here? The weather is just awful because it's like -5 outside. It's supposed to, I think it's only supposed to get up to like maybe not even 10 degrees. I don't even know. I don't even know what it's supposed to get up to, but I am going to eat something now because I'm starving. I'm gonna eat something, fold laundry, do dishes, and honestly maybe take a nap today. Like I feel tired, but I'm awake. Like, as odd as that may sound, I feel tired, but I'm awake, so I don't know how this is going to play out. Oh, no wonder why something smells so good. My mom's got something cooking in the crock pot. It looks like, if you guys can see that, looks like a pot roast. I think it's it doesn't look like pork, but it could be a pork roast. I don't know.